Hi everyone, and welcome to this short video on creating a new page in your Google site. Well, we have a number of types of pages that we can work with when we create a new page. The first and most popular is a web style page, where you can place all kinds of things in whatever order that you want on that page. We've got some text, we've got some gadgets, we've got calendars. You can put whatever you want on that web style page. So let's take a look at how that's done. Let's jump into our sandbox tutorial over here, and you can see that we have a site created. And of course, when your site is created, the first thing you have is a home page, and you can begin to edit that home page by clicking on the edit button and begin adding content to your page. And of course, you can do a lot of different things with that page. We have all our editing tools here. We can change the layout of that page. We can select 2 columns rather than 1 column and begin to edit that page. We can insert tables, we can work with formatting, and we can insert all kinds of things to that page. Well, let's take a look at adding another page to this site. So we'll come up here to the top right-hand corner, and we have a button for New Page. We'll click on that New Page button, and we will give this a name, a web page. As you can see below that, we can choose the different styles of pages that are available: a web style page, an announcement style page, a file cabinet style page, and a list page. We will see videos on all of these after we finish this one. So let's take a look at this. Now we also have an opportunity to place that page where we want it, but I generally do not use this section and come back later and do some manual places of putting that page. So I'm going to click on Create. There we go. We've created a new page, and it automatically comes up into that editing mode of that page. And I begin add content to that page. And again, we have all kinds of things that we can add to this page, whatever you want your viewers to see. Now, we can also, if we wish, on the fly, change the name of that page. Just type in here, first page. Click on Save. And now you can see that it's reflected the change over here in the navigation bar. Let's go back in our editing tool on this real quick. Keep in mind that there's not a whole lot you can do with the formatting of the name of the page, but you can do some changing of that. So let's change this back to web page. And we'll click on Save. Now, one of the things people often ask about is, once I create a page, I really don't want it, I'd like to delete it. How do I remove a page or delete a page? Well, there's 2 options actually. One, we can just remove it from the navigation bar. And as I said, we have a video on that we can take a look at later on called Customize Your Navigation Bar. And that will allow you to remove pages, reorganize their pages, and put them on there when you'd like it. So that video is available, and take a peek at that at your leisure. The other opportunity is to simply go to the More menu and select Delete Page, and that will remove the page completely from the site. There's also something else here I'd like you to take a look at called Page Settings. When I select Page Settings, I have a number of options that I can set for that page in reference to the page title, any subpages, allowing comments, allowing attachments, and so on. So I'll cancel that now. If I create a page that I envision using over and over again, I can even go to More Actions, and I can save this page as a template. I do have videos on creating templates. You can take a look at those as well. So that's creating a new page on your Google site. Hope you found this video helpful. Have a good day.